Hey, you. Yeah, you. I can see that. Having a rough time? Ah, yes. Presentations. They are pretty complicated. And confusing, too. It's so hard to make a good presentation. It's gotta have pictures and animations. It's gotta be simple, but not too simple. It's gotta be complete. Oh, and PowerPoint, too. Oh, man. And then, once you plan and practice, you've got to find somebody to practice in front of to make sure that you know it. If only there was something that could help make that a little easier. What if I told you there's a program that would make your whole presentation for you, complete with top-of-the-line actors to dress up as you and go give your presentation instead of you? Okay, now what about a program that would provide you with somebody to help you through the process and guide you as you make your presentation? And then they would even help you by watching the presentation and giving you pointers, tips, and advice. Well, then let me tell you about our new product. Go on and click over to that Chrome tab that you have open. The program is called, drumroll please, Prosentation, putting the pro into your presentation. This program connects trained students who have gone through rigorous certification process with other students just like you to help make your presentations rock. Prosentation will help you create things like PowerPoints, note cards, class activities, funny persuasive videos, and more. Not only will we help you create your presentation, but we will watch your presentation and give you pointers, tips, and advice. Never again will you be alone in creating your presentations, because the Prosentation team is dedicated to your success. There's always a prosenter ready and available to help you at a moment's notice. Oh, and do you go to Concordia? Well, we get most of our customers from Concordia, so you can join the community of prosenters. Speaking of community, you can even join the Prosentation team. If you don't think you need help with presentations, well, come and get certified and help others put the pro in their presentations. Well, Brandon, the first presentation you make with us, a $20 value, you get for no cost, just for trying us out. And we actually just made a presentation just for you, for this presentation. It's actually on your desktop right now. Now go finish that presentation.
Prosentation.
Prosentation.